In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email flow with Klaviyo. We'll start on the Klaviyo home dashboard. From here, open the Flows section in the left navigation. This is where all automation lives. To build a new one, select Create Flow. On the Create page, you can search for pre-built flows by name or use cases. If you already know what you want, typing a keyword quickly narrows options. Prefer to start from scratch? Choose Build Your Own to design every step yourself. Not sure where to begin? Browse by goal to explore curated collections. You can also click View All Flows to see the full library. You'll notice categories like Nurture subscribers for welcome and onboarding journeys, Remind customers to purchase for abandoned cart or browse flows, and other for less common automations. For this walkthrough, open the Welcome Series template. Give your flow a clear name so teammates recognize its purpose, and add tags to keep your workspace organized and filterable later. Tags make it easy to group flows by lifecycle stage, campaign type, or channel. Next, select a trigger. This defines what starts the automation, such as joining a list or performing a specific action on your site. Open, select a trigger, and choose the option that matches how you collect new subscribers. Confirm your choice in the trigger picker so Klaviyo knows exactly when to enroll people in the sequence. Once the trigger is selected, click Use Template to load the recommended structure. You'll land in the visual editor. Here, customize each email's content, subject lines, and timing to fit your brand voice and goals. Update images and copy and adjust delays to control how long Klaviyo waits between messages. A short delay creates a fast-paced series. A longer delay gives subscribers more breathing room. Expand the sidebar to add actions. You can insert additional emails, set time delays, or add conditional splits to segment recipients based on behavior or attributes, giving each subscriber a more relevant experience. For example, you might send a different message to someone who has already made a purchase compared to a new prospect. When everything looks right, open Review and turn on. Klaviyo will highlight any missing settings like sender information or draft content so you can fix them before activation. When all checks pass, turn the flow on and it will begin running for anyone who meets your trigger criteria. That's it. Starting from the dashboard, you created a welcome series by choosing a goal, selecting a trigger, customizing the template, adding actions, and activating the flow. Follow the same process for other goals like reminders or winbacks and keep iterating as performance data comes in.